Hey, so I just got my Medusa pierced and it is finally fully healed, so I'm going to show you my cleaning routine. If you have a fresh piercing, you're going to want to clean it twice a day and you want to avoid cotton swabs or cotton balls as you don't want any fibers to get stuck in the piercing. Mine is fully healed, so I'm going to be using a Q-tip to clean today. And just as a reminder, you are going to wash your hands. I've already washed mine. I'm just wearing gloves for extra safety. So today I'm going to be using the Naked Cleansing Soap and then our trusty Neil Med Saline Spray. So since my piercing is healed, I am using just straight tap water, but if you do have a fresh piercing, then the recommendation is to use distilled water instead. So first, I'm going to wet my cotton swab. And then I'm just going to do a pump of soap on there. And once that's on there, I just clean around my piercing. Nice and get under, get the post. And then once I do that, I get a clean cotton swab, get it wet, and I wipe off that excess soap. After that, I will then take the saline spray and then I will angle it at the piercing, and this is pressurized enough to be able to get any crusties or get in any tough to reach areas. Oops, sorry. And I just like to spray that in all angles to make sure we are nice and clean, and then sometimes I'll go on the inside as well. And you can spray the saline wash inside of your mouth, but what I like to do on a daily basis is I will clean my mouth out with alcohol-free mouthwash. You do want to make sure that it is alcohol-free though, so it doesn't dry out your piercings. And then once I am done, I will take a dry paper towel and I will just simply blot off any excess that I have. I won't brush it against the piercing because I don't want it to get caught at all or yank on it at all. So just pat dry, and you should be good to go. So that was the end of my cleansing routine. The next step is just going to be moisturize with some soothing salve like this, just to make sure that the skin doesn't dry out. So you're just gonna get a little bit and then rub it right over the piercing and make sure that you get in there. And you're good. And just a disclaimer, although this is the way that I personally like to clean my piercings, if you have a fresh one, it is recommended to follow your specific piercer's aftercare instructions. And if you have any irritation or infections, contact your piercer first or a doctor.